Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn congruence of triangles together, step by step. Two figures are congruent if they have exactly the same shape and size. This chapter gives the quick tests that prove two triangles are congruent. Congruent triangles fit perfectly, one on top of the other. Every pair of matching sides and matching angles is equal. You don't need all 6 parts. Any one of these proves congruence. Side, 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 angle, or for right triangles, right angle, hypotenuse, side. If all 3 sides of one triangle equal all 3 sides of another, the triangles are congruent by the side rule. Once 2 triangles are proved congruent, CBSETest lets you conclude that all their other corresponding parts are equal too, a powerful next step. To recap, congruent triangles are identical in shape and size. Prove it with one of the criteria, then use CBSETest to unlock the remaining equal parts. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.